Joe Biden has repeatedly criticized President Trump's coronavirus pandemic response, including the president's refusal to wear a mask,
I see the disinfectant,
dispensing faulty health safety guidance, and pushing to reopen the U.S. economy, even as COVID-19 infection rates continue to rise in some states.
I think the federal government has abdicated any effective leadership role. The White House, at least, has abdicated that role.
Biden, the former vice president who successfully led the Ebola outbreak containment efforts during the Obama administration, envisions a larger and more assertive federal role in combating the coronavirus. The United States recently surpassed 2 million COVID-19 cases, and the economic crisis has put over 20 million Americans out of work. Biden's plan would increase federal funding to supply free coronavirus testing, treatment, and any eventual vaccine nationwide. The federal government would pay for hundreds of thousands of healthcare workers to treat the infected and contact trace exposures to prevent the spread of the virus. It would also expand sick leave and unemployment benefits to all workers, including undocumented immigrants.
People of conscience want to implement these programs because the way we take care of our fellow citizens, the pandemic has shown that we need to do that for the collective good, so that everyone's protected from the virus.
Conservatives argue these measures would impose massive costs that would stifle an economic recovery. They believe Democrats will use the pandemic to permanently expand costly government health care programs and increase worker benefits.
We should have a temporary and targeted relief to those who need it most, and not necessarily try to expand Washington's reach into all of our lives.
The contrast between Trump's emphasis on reviving the economy and Biden's focus on making it safe to return to work is giving voters a choice on what has become a central campaign issue. Brian Padden, VOA News, Washington.